Oh, hi there. I'm Curt.
And I'm Megan, and we're here in Gig Harbor, Washington at the Peninsula Retirement Community.
We're gonna go play some bingo and give these fine folks the mini blizzard treatment. We got Gary here at the Peninsula Retirement Community. Gary, take a load up.
Hey, thank you very much. Get the night off and a great blizzard besides. Thank you.
How you doing?
All right, who's ready to play some bingo? Anybody else want some M&M?
B5.
Next one is B10.
073.
Sorry. Next number is I-17.
Bingo!
All right, cut that table off. No more blizzards for them.
This is very good.
The life is short. Start with dessert. Now, what was that you said about seconds?
Looks good.
G53. Come sing with me. G53. G48. Ain't that great. I30. I'm your hero. Got N44. Shut the front door. N40. I don't know anything to rhyme with that, so N40. G55.
Bingo. I got
Those are my favorites. You're welcome.
We just received the mini blizzard treatment.
Do you want us to come back next week?
Yeah!
Gonna bring blizzards?
Bring a hamburger next week.
I said if he had his way, you'd be bringing him blizzards every day.
But of course.
I know.